Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add grid lines to your camera in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, we have to open our camera application. This is my camera and I'm going to open it. Then if we want to add the grid line, we can go to our setting, go to the camera setting, and here you just need to scroll down until you find the grid lines option. This one, you can click on the circle button to activate the grid lines, and then we can go back to our camera to check it. And as you can see that the grid lines has shown in this camera. And this grid lines will be really helpful if you want to take a symmetrical photo. Alright guys, and that's how we can add grid lines to our camera in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.